Hello, future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is a video about uh, determining the value of a certain coordinate such that the perpendicular distance from any point to a line will be minimum. So here is the problem. Determine the value of A, this A here, that minimizes the perpendicular distance from point C to a section of pipeline that passes through points A and B. So the principle is like in statics, that is, we calculate the moment of the force about this point here, and it is equal to, defined by the cross product of the position vector from that point, moment center, to any point on the line of action of the force. There's no force here, but we can express AB as a vector, and its magnitude, its length, would also be the magnitude of the force. So that's the principle that will be used in this problem. So AB, our AB is equal to, it's going up 8, then backward 10, rightward 24, backward 18, upward 16. So rightward 24, so 24i, then upward 8 plus 16, so 24j, then backward 10 and 18, negative 28k. So our AB is 24i plus 24j minus 28k. Then our CA, it should be moment centered to any point on the line of action of the force. It may also be RCB if you want, but I choose RCA. So it should be coordinate at A minus coordinates at C. So it is equal to 0 minus negative 3 RCA. A minus negative 3, sorry. So 0, it's 0 at A, then minus negative 3, so 3i, then uh, negative 8, negative 8 here, minus 2 is negative 10, so negative 10j, then 10, 10 z sub a minus z sub c, which is a, so 10 minus a k. So RCA therefore is equal to 3i, then minus a, minus 10j, then plus quantity 10 minus a k. So 3i minus 10j plus quantity 10 minus a of k. Then we apply cross product RCA cross AB, which is equal to RCA times RAB sine theta. We then note that RCA sine theta is the vector expression for the distance of point C from, perpendicular distance of point C from pipeline AB. So D is equal to vector RCA cross RAB divided by RAB. So by the way, the magnitude of RAB is square root of 24 square plus 24 square plus 28 square, and that is equal to 44 feet. So RCA cross RAB divided by RAB is 44 feet, and this is RCA, 3, negative 10, then 10 minus A. RAB 24, 24, negative 28. Then copy the unit vectors Then copy the elements of the first two columns, expand -10, -28, 280i, then minus 24 times 10, so 40i, then minus 24 times -a plus 24a. So therefore it is for quantity 40 plus 24ai. Then for j, we have 10 times 24 to 40 then -84, so 324. J minus 24a, that's our AB. So d sub c 1 over 44 to 80 minus 24 times quantity 10 minus a, then plus 24 times quantity 10 minus a minus negative of 28 times 3. So that's positive 84 j. Then 3 times 24 is 72k plus 240. So that's 312k. Simplifying, we have 1 over 44 d sub c vector 1 over 44 240 plus 24a quantity I. Then this is 240 plus 84 324 minus 24a j, then plus 312k. So cross multiply 44 d sub c, then the magnitude of d sub c is this square root of the squares of these components. So 44 d sub c is square root of quantity. It is now a scalar value because we obtained the magnitude of of this cross product RCA cross RAB. So square both sides, 44 square d sub c square equals quantity 40 plus 24a square plus 324 minus 24a square plus 312 square. Differentiating d sub c with respect to a to minimize it, and take note that we equate it to 0, so the left side would be 0. Then derivative 2 times quantity 40 plus 24a raised to 1. Derivative of 40 plus 24a is 24 plus 2 quantity 324 minus 24a raised to 1. Derivative inside is negative 24 equals 0. So divide everything by 2 times 24 or 48. That would be 0 equals 40 plus 24a minus quantity 324 minus 24a equals 0. Simplifying further, 24a plus 24a is 48a, then minus 284 equals 0. Finally, a is 284 over 48, and that is equal to 71 over 12 to be exact in feet, and in decimal 5.917 feet. So that's it for this video.